Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my 100k cash site review. Now, I am here inside the members area, and during this video, I'm going to give you its detail and what it does. I'm going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below this video. Now, without wasting time, let me tell you what is 100k cash out is all about. 100k cash site is a cloud-based software which is basically a bundle of two software which include one affiliate site builder and one include funnel site builder software. The first software is 100k cloner and the second one is cash funnels. Both these software you will get inside this 100k cash site, and both these softwares are very good and will definitely help you to make money from it. In just some seconds you're gonna start to earn, and you don't need any traffic for that because it already have free built-in traffic, and it have everything included which you need to succeed. You just have to buy it, and in my opinion it is a very good product and you must buy it. And I am also giving a lot of bonuses through it, so you can also purchase it through my link which is down below this video. And more details of 100k cash site I will give you later in the video, so watch it till the end. So 100k cash site is going live on 14th of November 2021 9 a.m. EST, which is New York time. So when it goes live you can buy it by clicking the link which is down below this video. It is the direct link of its sales page where you can buy it and read information about this product. Now let me tell you what are my bonuses of 100k cash site. So before revealing my bonus, I want to tell you that the bonuses which I am giving to you are very exclusive to me. These are created by myself, my team, and very good affiliate marketers on the internet, and they are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine. With that, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in terms of bonuses for 100k cash site, and I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get from my link which is down below this video. Now let me tell you what are my bonuses. As I told before that, this software includes two more softwares, and one of it is cash funnel. And the review of cash funnel I made previously, you can watch it out this review that in which I will tell you everything about cash funnel, and this video link is down below this video. You can check it out from there, and here on the screen you can see its thumbnail. Now for this 100k cash site, for this bonuses I am giving the same bonuses which you will get through cash funnels. So all of my bonus explained in that video. You can watch it out this that video which link is down below this video, and I am giving you the same bonuses which you will get if you buy cash funnels, but you will get one more software if you buy 100k cash site. So I'm not revealing all of my bonuses in this video because I made a separate video as I'll tell before. But before that, on that bonuses I'm also giving you one more bonuses which is that I'm giving you my new launched software which is hundreds of dollar worth, which is 7-figure mastery. It is a full training course created by myself in which I'll tell you everything about how to start affiliate marketing and many much more. You will get this training course and this product of me for free if you buy 100k cash site from me, which is down below this video. So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you have to do is click on the link which is down below this video and come on the sales page of 100k cash site where you can buy it. But remember that it will going live on 14th of November 9 a.m. EST of 2021. So when it goes live you can buy it only a tiny fee, and after that you will get all of my bonuses. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history, as you can see there, this blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonus if you buy only its front end product which is 100k cash site. Now let's see the sales page of 100 cash site and see more details about that product. So this is the sales page of 100kcashsite.com, and here as you can see it is the world first 2-in-1 bundle affiliate site builder and funnel suits. Clone the website that made over 100k dollar affiliate commission, and here is also a sales video of this product. Now here are some of its features. Let me tell you one by one. It is 100% new for 2021 and beyond. Make 100% commission, get 100x free traffic fast, zero hosting, 100% done for your campaigns, 100% cloud based app, zero hosting or domains required. It is 100% beginner friendly, and much more. And here is lot of information about this product, and this is the sales page and you can read it out all information about the product from this page, this sales page. I am not give you detail of this full page in this video because I don't want to make this video very long, but this guy also give you some more bonuses to buy this product. You can check it out, this bonus and their details on this page, and you can read it out more information of this product on the sales page, and its link is down below this video. You can directly reach out there. Now let me tell you about its details of its members area. Basically in this video I'm not making any review of its members area, but if you want to make me a review of its members area, then you can comment on this video and I will make a separate video for you where you can watch it, what inside the dashboard of the 100k cash site and how is it work. I will reveal everything about this software, and if you want it then comment on this video. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end product is 100k cash site for only $17, but if you buy it later then maybe its price will increase because it increases every hour. Now its upsell one, which mean its OTO one, is cash funnels 52 done for you funnels for only $47, in which you will get 52 done for you funnels inside one software. You will get thousands of squeeze pages, and you will get 52 bonus pages with reviews and thousands of bonus inside it. You don't have to do anything, and with that they also have free 100 plus traffic sources and complete training course inside that. Now its upsell 2 is 100k lead system. It is automatic lead and sales multiplier system for only $29, in which they have a software. By using that you can give away a new software to your audience and build your list. You can build 100 leads, then this software will help you to make them 100 leads into 100k leads by a unique method which will tell you inside that software. Now its upsell 3 is done for you email marketing for $197, and in this upsell the team of 100k cash site will do everything for you. They will send email swipes, they will send follow-up emails with their autoresponder to your audience with your affiliate links, and it is for 1 year. Now its upsell 4 is 100k enterprise for $997, in which you can start your own services of 100k cash site. You can sell them, you can create services for your audience, for your customer, and charge them thousands of dollars for one. Now its upsell 5 is cash funnel reseller lights for only $497 with a downsell of $97, and in which you can sell this cash funnel as your own product and keep 100% commission on the whole sales funnel and make up to $1,500 if you get a single sale. So basically these are the whole its OTOs of the 100k cash site. So it's all about. Don't forget to check out the link which is down below this video, and if you like it this video, then please smash the like button. Please subscribe to this channel, help me to grow this channel, and share with your friends and family members so that they can also make money. And sorry for any noise problems because there is too noisy, and sorry for my voice if there are any mistakes in this video. I know that this video is not very good because I don't make much effort to make this video because I am ill now, but for my audience I am giving you my best. So please like this video, and if you like the software then you can buy it by clicking the link which is down below this video. So thanks for watching my 100k cash site review video, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care, bye, all the best.